The chocolates will be eaten and the flowers will wither. It is kindness and thoughtfulness.
I think if they are kind to one another and respect one another, that's the important thing. And also make sure to spend time with each other without anybody else there, just on their own, so that they get to know one another and keep knowing one another.
It's very necessary to go out and involve the family in child minding while we went out on our days. And normally on a Saturday night, just once a week we got out, and then Sunday going to church. We all went as a family.
I think I'd skip the advertisements that you get for Valentine's Day and get the girl something nice that she'd like and that she could keep without embarrassment the rest of her life.
Well, start the way you mean to go on. That if a problem is there beforehand, it cannot be solved afterwards. You know, so make sure you know what you're doing before you get into anything major.
Do you think it's important, to like you were saying, to listen to each other and hear what the other one is saying?
Yeah, I think it's very important. I'm a widow for a long time now. My husband died many years ago. So I miss the companionship, and when you're out, you love to come home and tell him all about it, and he'd tell you all about the match or the whatever, You miss the silence in the house.
People have different attitudes nowadays. We're much better informed, and as such, but really the essence of love, the essence of affection is still there among human beings. That will go on forever. Basically, we may find different ways of expressing our love to each other, but basically it's the same as it ever was. Love makes the world go round.